Some people spend years caring, at home, at work, in between jobs, without ever being told, you are good enough to do this professionally. Introducing the Care Assistant Training, a QLS-endorsed qualification that prepares you for the real demands of care work. You'll learn how to safeguard the people in your care, understand their rights, and know how to protect them. You'll communicate with confidence, know how to get consent, and make decisions in someone's best interest. You'll understand food safety, health and safety law, and how to work within the legal and ethical standards the care profession demands. And you'll gain the medical knowledge and IT skills that modern care settings demand every single day. 16 modules, a recognised qualification, and the confidence to walk into any care setting and know you are prepared. This CPD accredited course is for people exactly like you. No previous experience required, just the decision to begin. This is the training that turns your intent into expertise. Enroll today. Take the course that takes you seriously.